Looking for the perfect espresso machine to elevate your coffee game in 2024? Whether you're a casual sipper or a coffee connoisseur, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 espresso machines of 2024, featuring the latest innovations, premium designs, and unbeatable performance. Stay tuned to discover which machine can transform your home into a cafe. Breville Coffee Maker. Introducing the Breville BES 870 XL Coffee Maker, a premium espresso machine designed for coffee lovers who crave a barista-quality brew at home. This all-in-one espresso powerhouse features an integrated conical burr grinder that delivers perfectly ground coffee beans every time, ensuring your espresso is fresh and rich with flavor. The brushed stainless steel design adds a sleek, modern touch to any kitchen, while its intuitive interface makes brewing your favorite cup easier than ever. With adjustable grind settings and precise temperature control, the Breville BES 870 XL guarantees a balanced extraction for a smooth, velvety espresso. The 15-bar Italian pump and steam wand allow you to froth milk to perfection, creating creamy lattes, cappuccinos, or any coffee house specialty. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a beginner, this machine simplifies the espresso making process, giving you total control over every cup. Upgrade your morning routine with the Breville BES 870 XL Coffee Maker, where style meets performance for the ultimate coffee experience at home. DeLonghi Stilosa Espresso Machine. Meet the DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine, the perfect blend of style, convenience, and performance for home coffee enthusiasts. With its 15-bar pump pressure, this sleek espresso maker delivers rich, authentic espresso with every shot. Its modern black and stainless steel design fits seamlessly into any kitchen, while its compact size, 13.5 by 8.07 by 11.22 inches, ensures it doesn't take up too much space. The Stilosa offers a built-in milk frother steam wand, allowing you to craft silky smooth lattes and frothy cappuccinos with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coffee lover, the manual operation gives you full control over the brewing process, making it easy to customize each cup to your exact preferences. Durable, reliable, and easy to clean, the DeLonghi Stilosa is designed to elevate your coffee experience without the need for complicated equipment. Perfect for anyone seeking cafe-quality espresso drinks at home, this machine combines functionality and style at an affordable price. Enjoy barista-level coffee from the comfort of your kitchen. Espresso Machine 15 Bar. Introducing the Espresso Machine 15 Bar with Milk Frother, your go-to coffee maker for rich, flavorful espresso, cappuccinos, and lattes at home or in the office. This powerful 1350W machine combines sleek stainless steel design with top-notch functionality, making it a perfect addition to any coffee lover's routine. With its 15-bar pressure system, this espresso machine extracts bold, aromatic espresso, ensuring every cup is smooth and full-bodied. The built-in milk frother allows you to easily create creamy lattes or perfectly frothed cappuccinos with the same professional touch you'd get at a cafe. The machine's 41-ounce removable water tank means fewer refills and more cups of your favorite brew, all with minimal hassle. Whether you're making a single shot or brewing 2 cups at once, this espresso machine is designed for ease and efficiency. Compact, durable, and easy to clean, it's perfect for busy mornings or afternoon pick-me-ups. Elevate your coffee experience with the Espresso Machine 15 Bar, the ideal choice for home or office use, delivering barista-quality results every time. Casabrew's Espresso Machine 20 Bar. Introducing the Casabrew's Espresso Machine 20 Bar, a professional-grade espresso maker designed to bring cafe-quality coffee right to your home. With an impressive 20-bar pressure system, this sleek stainless steel machine ensures maximum flavor extraction, delivering rich, full-bodied espresso with every shot. Its modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen, adding a touch of elegance to your countertop. Equipped with a powerful steam milk frother, the Casabrews allows you to effortlessly craft lattes, cappuccinos, and other milk-based beverages, giving you complete control over your coffee creations. The 49-ounce removable water tank offers convenience, making it easy to brew multiple cups without constant refilling, perfect for hosting guests or fueling your daily coffee needs. Whether you're an espresso enthusiast or just getting started, the Casabrew's espresso machine is designed for simplicity and precision, ensuring consistent results every time. Durable, reliable, and easy to clean, it's ideal for coffee lovers who want a high-quality brewing experience in the comfort of their own home. Elevate your coffee game with Casa Brews, where performance meets style. LOR Barista System Espresso Machine. Introducing the LOR Barista System Coffee and Espresso Machine Combo by Philips, a sleek, versatile coffee maker designed to deliver cafe-quality beverages at the touch of a button. This single-serve machine, in matte black, brings a modern, sophisticated look to your kitchen while offering the convenience of brewing both rich espresso and smooth coffee with precision. Crafted for coffee enthusiasts, the LOR Barista System features dual capsule recognition technology, allowing you to brew 2 different sizes of coffee or espresso with ease. Whether you crave a bold espresso shot or a full-bodied cup of coffee, this machine ensures perfect extraction and flavor with every brew. The integrated milk frother makes it simple to create velvety lattes and creamy cappuccinos, turning your home into your own personal cafe. With its compact design and user-friendly interface, the LOR Barista System fits effortlessly into any lifestyle, delivering fast, quality coffee whenever you need it. Upgrade your coffee routine with this stylish, powerful machine and enjoy barista-level beverages from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this roundup of the best 5 espresso machines in 2024, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Have a favorite machine from the list? Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd love to brew with.